Hello everybody, welcome to this week's edition of
Talking from our app. But it's a cruise ship balcony.
And it's on the what side of the ship?
The
Starboard.
starboard.
So, a starburst. Not quite.
Starbird.
So we are the Nap family, known as the Wandering
It's a
Naps.
bird, but it's a star.
If y'all haven't followed any of our videos before, we were a boat family, lived full-time for almost 4 years on a boat. We then sold it, and this trip was us going around and visiting the islands that we never got a chance to see on our boat. Today we are going to talk about, what are we talking about?
Antigua.
Antigua, technically.
No, but the locals call it Antigua, and it was
And
founded.
you call it what the locals call it.
They called it Antigua. Christopher Columbus called it Antigua because there's no water on the land,
Yeah.
which was the most fascinating fact to me. That there's 40 forts on Antigua.
It was fought over by a lot.
They're fought over so much, and I'm like, do you understand? Like the next island over, there's like fresh water. Why are you fighting so hard about Antigua?
Because there was already sugar on it. Because someone did the hard thing of doing that, and everyone didn't want to do it for themselves.
And what else did we tour in Antigua?
The harbor.
What's the
Oh, yeah,
name of
the-
Admiral's
do you
dock?
remember?
Nelson's
Dock.
Boat Harbor.
The
Dockyard.
If you get a
Dockyard.
chance to go to Antigua, definitely take a stop at Nelson's. It was well worth it. We actually, that's our complaint or disappointment, was we only got like 20 minutes after the guided tour. And the guided tour, they just read the signs that we could have read.
Yeah.
So if you get a chance, hire a taxi, go over there yourself, and just walk around and explore. It was really neat. It's now the current marina for like all the super yachts and all the cruisers that
It's
come
a
in.
huge harbor. Like
There was
it's
a
very
super
protected
large
harbor.
catamaran there too. It was really big.
Hemisphere.
So yeah, very interesting island. Spoke English, drove on the left. Very safe, safest island in the.
They actually pride themselves as being the safest island in the Caribbean, and they attribute it to their #1 industry is tourism, and they want you to know 100% that you will be 100% safe on their island. We even, after our tour, because it was a short tour, we then just found a local to drive us to the beach.
It was great.
We went to the beach for a couple hours, super safe, super easy.
Beautiful beaches.
Beautiful.
They have 365 separate beaches around the island, and just gorgeous. So it was a neat stop. Glad we did it.
Enjoy this week's video of Antigua, and if you want to see the rest of the Caribbean videos, go ahead and check out our YouTube channel for those. Otherwise, as always,
Enjoy the journey.
good morning from beautiful Antigua. We woke up and the boat was already docked. There's already a big old cruise ship next to us. This is Antigua. The rest of my family is out getting breakfast. I'm just sitting here enjoying the views, waiting for some coffee that I had ordered on room service. And today we're gonna go see one of the World Heritage sites, Nelson's Boatyard. I'm not really sure what to expect. I would also like to see some of the cool forts here in Antigua, kind of learn a little bit about the history. Coffee was just delivered, as well as we got some croissants for the boys, some juice, grapefruit, bananas, and all the things. This is the bunk bed. They pull it down from the ceiling, and then the couch lays out. We kind of squished it up so that I can at least duck under to the balcony and drink my coffee on the balcony today.
Study medicine, they go to that. And I cannot say we over here on the right, you see no local produce. Look at them. Are those goats? Guys, I can tell you something. For 300 years, sugar was lucrative. Sugar was a money-making business, but sad to say, it is dead. Dead and buried. We're gonna say sugar, rust in peace. We have tourism religion. It does not mean it is the only religion. But because of the British dominance, their religion dominates. We do have the Jehovah Witness, we have the Mormons, we have the Baptists, we have the from all over the world come here to Falmouth, and they will sail around the island for 6 days. Europeans and North Americans, they buy the beachfront. It's on the other. And don't think about the size. It's super clean. From here, they water from
Interesting that they can't.
Yeah.
All right, everyone. Just come, take your pictures quickly, and make little way for Angie and her group. Okay?
Okay, can the boys get ready? So, put the jacket on the, and then we will shoot the jacket.
Have it done.
Pushing these guys still.
the back of this, we see the public market complex, and down here we have our bus terminal. So this is downtown.
And what's down that way?
Fish market and the meat market. Now this street that we are moving on, this is the commercial center of St. John's. This street is called Market Street. Anything you need on the island, come on Market Street. You must find it. If it's not on Market Street,
Can we film that?
everything is right here.
Sit here on the beach.
Yeah. I'm gonna go get in the water. We went totally rogue in Antigua, and which is how the locals pronounce it, Antigua. We pronounce it Antigua, and the locals said no, it's Antigua. So we went rogue after our excursion. We stopped. We saw a guy that said he wants to take you to the beach. Yes, we do. So we're at like the Sandals Beach. It's beautiful. There's a couple other resorts here. It's super pretty. We're gonna play for just a little bit, and then we gotta hop back in the taxi and head back to town. It's a super bumpy ride, but we don't have long, so I'm a little nervous. Because what if our taxi doesn't come back for us in time?